Hey everyone, we are so excited to show you this new remote control tank. So this is so cool. It goes forward, backwards, left, right. It shoots water bombs, it makes music and sounds, and it can go over all sorts of terrain like sand and grass and stones. It is going to be very wear resistant and skid resistant. So we are so excited to test this out. So we're going to just jump right to it, unbox it, and show you how it works. In this box, you will receive the tank, a remote control, a wrist control, instructions, water beads, safety glasses, a container to hold the water beads, a rechargeable battery, and the cord to charge. Use the provided screwdriver to unscrew the back of the remote control and insert two AA batteries. These batteries are not included. Then unscrew the bottom of the tank and connect your lithium battery and screw the back on. Next, pour some water beads in a glass of water and wait 2 to 4 hours until they fill with water and are ready to shoot out the tank. Once they're ready, fill them in your container and pour them into the tank. It stores about 50 water bombs. Now let's take a look at the remote. Press the demo button to see everything this tank can do. You can also press the sound switch to turn the sound off. The 3 small buttons on the top would be your traverse right and traverse left buttons. The middle one is to launch a water bomb. The large circle button on your right will rotate the tank left and right. The left button will move the tank forward and backwards. Now let's take a look at the watch. Long press the button to turn it on and off. Lean your hand forward or backwards to move the tank forward or backwards. Then tilt left or right to move the tank left or right. The button on your index finger will shoot water bombs. We are having so much fun with this. I absolutely love it. I think any kid would enjoy it too. And with the holidays coming up, it makes a great gift. And you could even purchase an additional one for siblings or friends and have a dual tank fight. So I hope you get one and love it just as much as we do. Thanks so much for watching.